Today we are doing task number 8, the practical part of Shell's overview room, which is inside of the cybersecurity 101 learning path. Now that we have learned about different types of reverse shells, let's test our knowledge. Please allow 2 minutes for the virtual machine to boot. Yeah. Okay, so answer the question. Use a reverse or a bind shell, exploit the command injection vulnerability to get a shell. What is the content of the flag saved in the root directory? Hash file, input a file, try hello, so hash file. We are trying a reverse shell. On our machine, we say apt-get lnvp 9898, listening there. And in here, let's copy this. And paste it here and go back to our task. Instead of this one, we say 9898 and attacker IP 10 114.111.111, and it should be fine. We should have access to that. There you have it. There you have it. Flag.txt. We just had to go up a couple of levels. This is for the reverse shell. And now we're using the web shell. Let's go back. Actually, we go back here. We go to the web shell. Upload CV. Let's see. We go to the web shell. Okay, let's copy this. We open the terminal. We good, and here we see echo test dot php. All right, browse. .php, upload that file that has been uploaded, meaning that we go to uploads test.php. I cannot use is set expression. You can use null equals expression. That should do it. That should do it. Let's see. Uploaded, meaning that we just have to go for uploads and then test.php without this part. We should see it without that. There you have it. There you have it. Perfect. So basically we just use the system, right? With PHP system command. Let's go over here a bit. System executes an external program and display the output. System, and then for parameters, strings. And in the string, we just offer the command, right? It's just like the C version of the function in that it executes the given command and outputs the result. Awesome, that's what we did. Pretty cool. And for the last one, task number 9, you just know it by now. It's just a summary of what we did. And basically this room, shells overview, is just an introduction, let's say, for reverse bind and web shells. Answer the question below. I have successfully did it. Yes, sir.